This is Stan Samuel, and today's lesson is on humility and humiliation, March 9th, Wednesday, week 1 of the Lenten Devotionals. We have two passages today, first is St. Luke 2:21 through 39, and the second one is Galatians 4:4 and 5. Let me read from Galatians 4:4 to 5. But when the time had fully come, God sent his Son, born of a woman, born under the law, to redeem those under the law, that we might receive the full rights as sons. Today, we learn a lesson in humility. The incarnation of Christ as God was act of God of Almighty, emptying himself to place time and other human limitations. Residing in our world, he had no earthly riches, but he suffered the same pains and felt the same weaknesses that we did. He put himself in our place so that we may understand his examples. Jesus voluntarily laid aside divine rights, privileges, out of love and obedience to his Father. He willingly suffered and endured pain so that he could reach out to us with compassion when we hurt. The lowest step in his humiliation was when he died on the cross, nailed a slave's death. And he didn't feel just physical pain, but he also felt the mental agony that comes along with it. If it is difficult for us to identify with Christ's humble servant attitude, then we must evaluate ourselves. Ask ourselves, what is our motives? Is it for power and greed and position, or is it for giving to others? Christ was the perfect example of putting others first. We can approach life to put ourselves first or to put others first. Christ being born human shows us who we really are to become, true servants to others. Who will you become, a humble servant or selfish to your own personal gains?